This was my first Q4 experience, so let's take a look at the numbers. Hey, this is Rochelle and welcome to Multiple Passive Streams of Income. Happy New Year to everyone. Let's all continue to learn from each other and put shit into action in 2021. Now, I've always heard how fabulous Q4 sales are, but I had just started being successful with private labeling at the end of 2019. So I didn't get to experience that 2019 Q4 magic. Another aspect of Amazon I fully didn't understand was cash flow and running out of inventory. Now, running out of inventory is a good problem, I guess, but I need to figure out how to solve these problems in 2021. Part of the problem is that it takes over a month to manufacture my product. And then sea shipping adds another month of delay. So it's like a 2.5-month dilemma. What I have been doing is waiting for one order to finish before starting another order. But I will have to reorder monthly, it seems, to stay in stock. And that's where the cash flow problem occurs, because I will need to order before the shipment even reaches Amazon and starts to sell. So let's look at the numbers. Here's my November totals in the US. I was out of stock for October, and my shipments started to arrive at Amazon late October. So you see some small sales at the beginning of November, but it takes time for Amazon to add the product to your listing due to them moving units throughout their warehouses for logistics reasons. So on November 12th, I was somewhat restocked and I cut on my PPC. Sales picked up and I sold 209 units as a total for November, and that was 111 PPC sales and 98 organic sales. Now let's look at December's numbers. Great daily totals leading up to Christmas, as you can see. I was running PPC, and on December 4th, my credit card maxed out, so my PPC stopped. I added a different credit card to my Seller Central account, and it took over a day for the credit card to be recognized. So December 5th shows a partial day of PPC and then a full day on December 6th. Now on December 7th, I decided to cut off the PPC, and I didn't run PPC for about 3 weeks. As you can see, great daily sales, with December 18th being the best day that had 62 sales in one day. Of course, after Christmas, things slowed down, but still decent sales. So for December, the total turned out to be 872 sales, 45 from PPC, and a whopping 827 organically. Also, since I did not run PPC for 3 weeks, I debated with myself if I should cut on PPC. Being spoiled from these weeks of the Q4 sales volume, I cut on PPC December 29th, and then I realized my stock is running low again. So I turned off PPC the next day to try to hold on to this low inventory that I have as much as I can, because of the harsh limitations Amazon is enforcing on inventory now, and my latest order hasn't left China yet. So I know I will be having no new inventory for at least a month and a half, and my second product should be arriving at Amazon any day now, but that doesn't solve the issue for this low stock issue that is occurring with my first product. Let's look at my Canada November totals. My cargo to Canada was added to my listing earlier than my US cargo. So on November 5th, sales started to happen. I also was able to cut on PPC in Canada on November 5th. I spend a lot less on PPC in Canada because there's less demand, but it's too easy not to sell there, because if you sell on Amazon USA, you can automatically sell on Amazon Canada and Amazon Mexico. The only reason why I haven't yet sold on Amazon Mexico is because my product doesn't translate well in Spanish, so I would have to redesign it. I'm currently trying to tackle other revenue streams, like getting VAT registered so that I can enter the UK market, and getting brand registered on Amazon. So after I get those situations resolved and introduce 2 more products, that may be the next bridge that I decide to cross. My goal for 2021 is to be selling in the UK, brand registered, and 4 products fully stocked in all English-speaking marketplaces by Q4 2021. So I had 141 November Canadian sales, 45 of them from PPC 96 Organic. If we look at the December Canadian sales, you'll see that the Q4 sales are better, totaling 413 in total, with 109 PPC sales and 304 organic sales. In early December, I looked at my BSR information, which I detailed in another video. And at that time, my BSR was 110,861 in the home and kitchen category and 1,466 in my subcategory. And when I looked at Keepa today, my lowest BSR in December was 19,310 for home and kitchen and 340 in my subcategory. Making these sales and experiencing Q4 2019 has been so liberating because I know the sky is the limit. More importantly than the sales is knowing I have a skill set that I can continue to improve upon while creating wealth with this income stream. I also know I can create other income streams outside of Amazon, and I'm currently working on a digital product now to help people struggling to find that first product to sell on Amazon. I know how difficult it is to get started on Amazon, so I know this digital product will help a lot of people to get started. Next week's video will give you a tease of the product that I'm developing, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're alerted when that video drops. It will be a full video on how I found this product, qualified it, and how I think I could differentiate it. The key here is showing you how to fish so that you can catch your own fish. My intention for showing my numbers is to show this is possible. I'm a very small seller at this point in my journey, and as a small seller, one product is changing my life financially. I'm showing the growth, the baby steps, the trials and the tribulations, and urging you to create this for yourself. Keep absorbing all the free content you can. If you haven't started, get started. Launch a product. If you're struggling, find a place with mentorship. I keep telling everyone about AOE and how affordable it is. The description is in the link below. Add AOE to your continuing education and strategy for success. They have different membership levels. Join at the lowest membership level. It's less than $55 USD monthly to test it out and increase when you need additional services. If you want to fast track, get a coach from AOE. Mine is Jeffrey Loho, and I wouldn't be where I'm at without him. And also Neil Asher, who runs AOE. Fast tracking will cost more money, of course, but it will get you to where you want to be with less mistakes and better results. People make New Year's resolutions every year. Why not creating an additional passive stream of income in 2021 be one of those resolutions? As always, thanks for your time, as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.